If you want to learn about investing in notes, you probably run across the name Eddie Speed Note School. Eddie Speed is a gentleman that has been teaching people how to invest in notes for a while now. Eddie's been in the note space for more than 30 years himself, and he does a great job teaching people how to invest in mortgage notes. Eddie's school is called Note School. However, there's another school that also teaches note investing, and that school is one that I own. It's called Note Investor University. So I just wanted to put that out there, okay? But Eddie does a great job. If you want to learn how to invest in mortgage notes, though, my suggestion is to start small. Don't invest any money initially. Just invest time to learn about the investment opportunity. And to help you do that, what I did is I developed a course, and it's called Note Investing For Newbies. You can pick it up at the noteinvestingfornewbies.com website for free. It's a free download. It's a mini course, actually. So if you want to invest in that, do so. If you want to learn the note business, which I highly recommend you take a serious look at, you'll start right there, and you'll get the basics, and you'll have a basic understanding of how notes work and what the difference is between a note and a mortgage, or a mortgage and a trust deed, or a deed and a mortgage. I mean, you can learn all those things right there in that free mini course so that you can understand the investment option and opportunity. So that, I want to invite you to take a look at that, first of all. Secondly, I want to invite you to reach out to me if you have questions after going through the mini course. I'll be happy to speak with you about investing in mortgage notes and share with you my experiences and maybe the experiences of some of my students, my family members that are also note investors. I think you'll find it's a great opportunity, and I'm sure you won't regret it. You can even invest in mortgage notes using your qualified retirement account, a self-directed retirement account. And I definitely recommend that, by the way, especially if you have the ability to set up a Roth IRA. Because with a Roth IRA, you pull all your profits out completely tax-free. Now, I'm not going to get into that on this video, but that's an option for you, and you should look into that option. Most people don't even understand that that really is an option for them. To be able to make a lot of profit and pull it all out tax-free is an amazing benefit, and that's one of the benefits that you can experience with a Roth IRA. Now, as a note investor, you're going to have access to mortgage notes all around the country, and you'll need to understand how to actually buy mortgage notes in locations where you can't actually go and visit the properties. And you can learn all of that as well through the Note Investor University. We teach you all that stuff. But to get started, just take a look at the Note Investing for Newbies mini course. Just go over to noteinvestingfornewbies.com, because in the mini course, you're going to get a good understanding of the basics of the note investing space. And from there, the world is yours. Wherever you want to go, it's up to you. So there you have it, guys. My name again is Desi Arnaz. I'm a professional investor and coach. And I just want to say God bless you guys, and thank you so much for watching.